Greetings WordPressers, Jakson here. How are you? Welcome to the channel. Nice to have you as always. Okay, serious conversation time. If you've ever had your WordPress website hacked, and thankfully that hasn't happened to me in many years. In fact, it was possibly a Joomla site 15 years ago. But if you have had your website hacked ever, you know the feeling deep inside your gut, that dread, that horror. And if it's a client site, you can 10x that feeling. And if it's the client that calls you up that says, "Have you seen the state of the website?" you can easily 20x that. It is horrific. But that shouldn't be happening, right? Because you've got a strong and powerful, robust security strategy and policies across all your websites, right? Yeah, I thought so. Anyway, you may have found this because of the title, and this video will show you how to clean up your hacked website in literally minutes. But also I'm going to dive deep into why and how to get a really robust security implementation on your website, and you should be doing that all the time for every site you put online. Right, we're going to be using Malcare. It is absolutely bonkers good. The free version will protect your site. The premium version will save your bacon if it gets hacked. So let's go. Let's clean up a hacked website and get a decent security policy as part of your workflow. Right then, so I've got a URL here. It's a demo site, just a very fresh, completely vanilla install of WordPress. And here's the URL in the browser. If we go to this URL, oh, hang on. Wait, what? This doesn't look like my website. This certainly does not look like a vanilla install of WordPress. Something's desperately wrong. I think I've been hacked. Well, to the rescue comes the quite marvelous Malcare plugin, malcare.com. Now, I'm going to stress a little bit later on in this video the need for proactive security, not reactive security. But this is what to do if you get hacked. Go to malcare.com. See, there's a button there with the tagline, "Have you been hacked?" Yes, I have. Let's get some help now. We get asked to create an account. So let's do that. Get a password in there and click sign up. We get straight to this screen where it's asking us to add the URL of our site. Let's go grab that, put that in, continue. So what this is going to do now is ask us for the WordPress admin. So we're not touching the site. You may not have access to your WordPress admin because you've been hacked. This does it all remotely. So I'm just going to go grab those credentials and get those in, submit that. So this is now remotely installing the plugin, the Malcare plugin. And it says it might take a few minutes. In my experience, it only takes well less than a minute. And here we go. The next step is to initiate the sync. Let's do that. And then you'll see we're into some sort of dashboard progress report here going. Now we'll talk about the different layers of security that Malcare brings to your site, and we'll talk about why you need to install Malcare on every site, production site, live site that you launch. So right now it's going and installing and analyzing stuff using the firewall, the setting up the login protection. It's now scanning for that malware. We know there's malware on there because it's not our site anymore. It's going to some random site, just doing its business. And yep, no surprises, it's the site's been hacked. Let's have a quick look at what it's saying, where it's saying there's a malicious file found. There's 3 malicious scripts found. That'll be in the database itself. And a malicious redirect found. Well, we saw that live and in action. We've just installed the free version and we're getting this immediate feedback. We'll need the pro version if we want to go look at reports or see things in a bit more detail. And also we're going to need the pro version to actually clean all the malware. And remember, this is damage limitation at this point. And so if we click clean all malware, we get the option to sign up for the paid version, 149 US per year. By any stretch of the imagination, I can tell you now from experience, if you wake up one day and one of your sites, or worse, one of your client sites has been hacked, and it happens very seldomly these days, but when it does, that feeling in your stomach is like nothing else you can possibly imagine. So 149 bucks of any man's money is the tiniest price to pay to fix this with a single click. So we click upgrade now, we get the payment details, put your payment details in, and then you'll end up back on the report and we can start cleaning up the site. And here we go, we're back on the report that our site has indeed been hacked. We can now look at the report for the actual scan, and here's our issues. Let's just click that clean all malware and away we go. My advice is to leave all the advanced options on, but I'm just actually going to untick reset password because it's a demo site. But defo do that when you have to run this yourselves. Let's click continue and away we go. We are cleaning up our site, 10% complete. Now, of course, it will take a lot longer to do this on a much bigger site if it's got a ton more files and a ton more database entries to look through. But this is a vanilla install, was a vanilla install of WordPress. Looks like it's completed and it now should be a vanilla install of WordPress. Again, let's go back to the front end of our site. We'll just grab that URL again and get to the front end again. Let's see what's happened. Okay, that looks like more vanilla. Nothing going on, no redirects, no nothing. Stop the clock, we've just saved our bacon. But like I was saying, we want to be talking about proactive, not reactive. Yes, there's your get out of jail free card if you haven't got security on your website. Let's talk about Malcare. So WordPress security for high performance websites. Yes, indeed, because you might get blacklisted by Google, suspended by your web host. Your site might get crushed on resources and overload and your host goes nuts. What could be a data breach? Oh, heaven forbid. Well, like I was saying a little bit earlier, Malcare comes with these 7 layers of security in these sort of categories called the ozone layer, and that's where it protects you from bot attacks, and it does that by blocking the bots themselves before they can do too much damage. It runs a real-time firewall on site, which is super important because it can protect against really sophisticated hacker attacks. Brute force protection, that's when someone's trying to use usernames and passwords and hit your site constantly until they guess it. Then we move on to the Cortex layer, and this is what you just saw in action, where it will scan your site, your files, and your database for any malware or suspected malware, flag it up. And the thing I didn't show you actually in the report is that you can flag it as not malware because there might be, for some crazy reason, it suspected some weird bit of JS that you've got somewhere and said, oh, this looks like malware. You can go, no, that's cool, by the way. And of course, the coup de grace, the instant malware removal, where you saw how easy that was. Then we move on to the carbon layer, which is kind of like the sort of belt and braces of the product, which is where you've got activity logs. So you can see what's been happening. So you can see when a file's been changed and it will alert you to that. And of course, they're bulletproof backups, which are incremental, by the way, which means it just takes the changes, not the whole site gets dumped every whatever. And there's different levels of that for depending on whichever platform of the license you're on, tier of the license you're on. And it's incremental, so it means it's just taking minute changes. So even if someone's just gone and changed the blog post title once in a week, it'll only ever upload that. So there's virtually no impact on your server or your site speed. So yeah, that was an example of what to do if you get hacked. You shouldn't be in that situation because the mighty Malcare plugin will stop these sort of hacks happening in the first place. So whatever your gig is with WordPress, get your security sorted out. Each and every project, production and live, or even a long-term development project, if it's exposed to hackers, they could well find you and you could be up that, that specific creek that we don't like going down. Links, as always, in the description if you want to find out more about Malcare. Absolutely stonking security option for you. Get it installed today, please. Anyway, want some more WordPress action? There's a video for you right there. But until next time, I shall see you later.